Good afternoon, boys and girls. Today we're going to start My Future's So Bright. You guys are just starting out in your education and in the world, and the future can hold anything. You guys can do anything that you want to, but I want to know some of the things that you hope to accomplish when you're older. So you're going to do a little writing. If you want to do brainstorming on a different page, before you write your final draft on this page, you can do that. But I want to know, what do you want to be when you get older? Like, what do you want to work at? Where do you want to work? What do you want to be? Where would you like to live? Do you want to stay here in Brooklyn or Jackson or Michigan? Or do you want to live or move to a different state or maybe even a different country? Where do you want to live? What will you drive? What kind of car or truck or boat or bicycle will you drive? I always thought that I would live in a small town where I could ride a bike. I wouldn't have a car. I did that for a little bit, but now I don't do that. And I will be sure to always be what? What do you always want to make sure that you are? So I want you to brainstorm, and then I want you to write a story on here. There is an art project that goes along with this too, but today I want you to start with your writing. So, what does your future hold? What do you want to be? Where do you want to live? What do you want to drive? What do you hope to do? And what do you hope to always be? Are some questions that you can think about, but you can tell me more about your future too. Okay? I hope that you guys have fun, and I can't wait to read about what you want for your future.